Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine. In this video, I am going to explain you the format of message. Okay, here you need to write the heading. Then next you need to write here date, time, dear friend name. For which friend you are writing, write his name here and put the comma here. This is receiver name. Okay. Then reasons you need to write here. Whatever the space I have given, reason why we are writing the message, that reason or any other important information you want to mention, you can write that one, or any suggestion or instruction you want to, you can write it. Okay. Normally even in phone, when you will get the text, you can see that first you will get the uh, date and time, then afterwards you will be having the reason why we got this message, or else from which company we got the message. Okay, so here that you need to write, and at last you need to write here from, comma, and sender name. Full stop. So this is the easy format. So I hope you have understand. Please like, subscribe, and share our video. Thank you.